Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to plot reverse characteristic of a diode. For that we will first make the circuit. To make circuit we need one DC source. Place it to workspace. We also need one ground, and now we need one diode. Here I am using 1N4007 diode. You can use any other diode you want. Place it to workspace. Now we need to rotate this diode, as we have to connect the positive terminal of voltage source to the negative terminal of diode and the negative terminal of voltage source to the positive terminal of diode. In this way, diode become reverse bias. Now click on interactive, click on DC sweep. Now change the increment to 0.1 and change the stopping potential to 10. And now click on output and add this current of diode option and save this. Now run the simulation. As you see, we didn't get any breakdown point, so we need to increase the stopping potential. For that, change the stopping potential to 100 and again run the simulation. As you see, we still did not get any breakdown point. Change it to 1000 and again run the simulation, and we still didn't get any breakdown point. Now change it to 1100 and now run the simulation. As you see, at 1100 we can clearly observe the breakdown point. If you want to observe a sharp breakdown point, then zoom the graph. In this way you can able to observe a sharp breakdown point. As you see, our breakdown point is nearly at 1000 volt. And now if you want to verify whether your breakdown voltage is correct or not, you can also do that. For that, right click on diode and click on properties, and here you see option of edit component. Click on edit component, and now here you see VV is equal to 1000, that is breakdown voltage. VV is breakdown voltage. Breakdown voltage of 1N400 diode is 1000 volt. In this way you can plot the reverse characteristic of diode and observe its breakdown point. And if you found this video informative, smash that subscribe button and like this video.